welcome back to Design Your Space by Thando. Thank you so much for joining me again. Welcome to Simple Home Improvements Part 1. I have decided to create a series of videos for you guys just to show you how you can easily decorate your home and easily update your space. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe at the bottom. If you are already a subscriber, I appreciate you guys. So welcome to my home again, you guys. This is an updated living room tour. I'm just gonna take you around and show you guys what I've done to update the space. Let's move right along. So to begin, I've actually put this white fluffy throw on the side of the sofa and paired it up with this lovely velvet gray cushions, and of course this reading lamp. So this can act as a reading nook. It really looks beautiful, especially in winter, because it gives that ambiance and it makes the home really feel cozy. So I really love this setting over here. And I've shown you guys these cushions before. I got them at the hub. They're really wonderful. If I can show you guys the whole couch, this is how it looks. And I think it looks really incredible. And on the coffee table, I have these flower arrangements, which are really gorgeous. They actually have a lot of different colors, which is really good because I can play around with the colors that I can use around my space. This I really love, you guys. Get yourself flowers. It doesn't matter if it's artificial flowers or just fresh flowers. It makes a big difference in your own house. So on the wall I have these two white frames and this round mirror. I am not really pleased with the setting, you guys. I really would love a big portrait on this wall, so I'm really working on that. So yeah, moving on, I have this small table over here. And if you've seen my videos, you guys, you would have seen this table. We actually DIY'd this table from scratch. It was just wood. We painted it white and actually put this contract paper on top, and I think it looks beautiful. I've actually put all these pictures of our family over here. This looks incredible. I love it. And moving on, you guys, I have different cushions with patterns and textures, which I think really looks nice and gives a contrast to this side of the couch. Moving on is my TV stand. There's nothing much going on this side, you guys, but the wonderful thing that I've recently tried out are these green balls. Green lollipop trees. So these come in half, and you just need to just put them together and place them anywhere you want to. So these are really beautiful. They actually don't belong here. We bought them for the balcony. So yeah, and moving right along, I've actually put out throw basket. So this basket is really helpful in winter, and when your friends come by or your family, they can just quickly just take out a basket and feel cozy. So yeah, that's about everything in the home, you guys, or everything in the living room that I wanted to show you that's updated, just to show you guys that it is easy. It's not really a hassle to update your space as long as you know what to buy and what to go with. Use your imagination, you know, you can really do a lot. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also do remember to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.